Foam rolling your hamstrings, the back part of your thigh. Start at the bottom of the knee and just move in 1 to 2 inch motions up and down, starting at the bottom of the knee, just working it up slowly. If there's any tight tension there, just stay there, rotating your leg from side to side, seeing if it's any tension throughout the muscle. If it's not, just move up again another 1 to 2 inches and continue to repeat this. If you find trigger points within that muscle, you just pause and hold it there till you feel that muscle release. Again, a trigger point takes around anywhere from 10, 30 seconds or more to release. So just work out all those little knots, work all the way through to the top of the gluteals where the hamstrings insert. And then once you're finished going in those small ranges of motions, do a big range of motion from all the way top to bottom, rotating your hips, rotating your thighs, so you're consistently getting each and inner part of the hamstring. So you're getting the insides, the middle, the outside of the hamstrings. Those would be called your semimembranosus, semitendinosus, and bicep femoris. Obviously switch to the other side, repeat the process, and continue to enjoy relaxing or reducing stress within the muscle on your hamstrings.